When I was 17, I really tried locking in with this trading thing, but nothing worked. But when I found this one ICT strategy that he taught me himself, I absolutely changed my own life. Okay, I made my first six figures that exact year, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can replicate that and leave your current job. So make sure you listen very, very carefully to what I'm about to tell you. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is only trade within a London kill zone, which is from 7 to 11 on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, so next, what you need to do is mark out the highs and lows of Asian session. So what I'm going to do right now is mark out the highs of Asian session. You can see this is the highest point right here from Asian session, and this is the lowest point right here. So what I'm going to be doing next is actually identifying which part of price is mitigated first, and then we aim to take the reversal trade. So what this means is you let price play forward as it wants. You can see it nearly hit the top, but it didn't. And now it just completely swept the lows of Asian session, which means now we're going to be aiming to take the trade towards the upside. All right. So what we need to do next is find the breakers of structure where fractional highs / lows have been swept, and then we can reinforce our market structure shift with an engulfing candlestick if possible. Okay, so what we need to do now is find a market structure shift towards the upside. So if I keep playing price forward, that is not a market structure shift. We just keep playing price forward. You just keep playing it and keep playing it. And you're going to see a market structure shift forming with a very big engulfing candlestick. And there you go. This big engulfing candlestick absolutely smashed through this fractional high. Just mark it right here for you guys. This fractional high has completely been swept, which gives us our market structure shift. So what we need to do next is actually identify the fair value gap. And if it overlaps with a market structure shift, it gives us a very high probability. And we just execute the trade straight away. But just before I continue, remember I said I could completely change your life with this strategy. Well, you need to still pass phase 1 and phase 2 of your prop firm account. And that's where Easy Pass comes in, because I will pass your phase 1 and phase 2 just like Arian right here. And you got a $600 payout. And you can see James right here got a $10,000 payout. This is your last chance. I'm actually closing down everything. Not going to be able to get this deal anywhere else, and you're not going to be able to pass your challenge. Make sure you join, first link in the description, and message me right away, and I can assess your challenge and I can pass your phase 1, phase 2. Also, I can manage your account, getting you your first ever payout. You can see right here, Ethan made $900, nearly £1,000. dollars, and you can see Lennon right here made $600 right there. Okay, so make sure you actually lock in and want to actually change your life. Go down the link in the description, click the first link, join this right here, and you can just message me at mstrades. Anyway, let's just get straight back into the analysis right here. So what you're going to need to do next is mark out your fair value gap, like I'm doing right here. It's from here to here. And now all you need to do is actually enter off of the fair value gap candle right here. Okay, so you just enter off of here, placing your stop loss just below this candle, and placing your take profit at a 1 to 2.5 or 3 risk to reward ratio. I'm gonna be going safe for this trade right here. I'm gonna be going 2.5 risk to reward ratio. So all I'm gonna be doing now is playing price forward. You're gonna see exactly how it just re-enters. There you go, it just re-entered right there. Move this up, and all it's gonna do now is completely go all the way up and smash take profit. If I just extend this, and there you go, you can see how it's going up, and it's completely just smashed take profit right there. This is exactly what you want to see from the markets every single time. But if you're still not getting this, I'm going to be showing you this on a fundamental level, so you actually have the biggest understanding of this. So what you need to do is let Asian session do whatever it wants. Let Asian session do whatever it wants. Okay, this is all Asian session. But once it's actually stopped, all you need to do is mark out the highs and the lows of Asian session. Okay, so let's say this is the highs right here. Going to be marking it out for you guys, and these are the lows. So once we have the highs and the lows, all we need to do now is wait for price to mitigate either one of them. So let's say it just mitigated the highs in this instant. There you go, price just mitigated the highs. What we need to do next is actually wait for a market structure shift towards the downside. Okay, so let's say we just got a candle like this, and it's completely took out this candle right here. So we got a market structure shift right there. And once you actually got this market structure shift, let me just mark it out. Once you got this market structure shift, what you need to do next is actually find the fair value gap. So the fair value gap, if it's overlapping with a market structure shift, it's completely valid trade, and it will actually hit your take profit 100% of the times. Okay, so once it actually overlapped with it, now all you need to do is place your sell limit, because you're aiming for the lows of Asian session now. You just place it on the line, place your stop loss just below this candle of the FEG, and place your take profit at the lows of Asian session. And you're going to see exactly how this trade runs up, and it's going to go back down, hitting your FEG, and then it's going to bounce back off it and go all the way down and smash your TP. This is exactly what you want to see. Obviously, there's so much more modules and methods that are actually included in the strategy that I didn't show in this video, but make sure you actually listen very carefully. But if you want to pass your phase 1, phase 2 right away in under a week and get your first ever payout, make sure you actually join my Easy Pass. You can see Arian right here got another $500 payout. He's been with us since the start, okay? He's been getting payouts after payouts. You can see Jamal right here made a $9,000 payout. Make sure you don't miss out on this deal that I'm doing right now. 20% off on everything. Make sure you join. Link in the description, first link. Anyway, this is the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.